What if I told you that a simple toy, born from the imagination of a Danish carpenter, would one day become a global phenomenon, inspiring generations of builders, engineers, and dreamers? A toy that transcends language, culture, and age, with the power to unlock endless possibilities with just a few colourful plastic pieces. This is the story of the LEGO brick, a tale of resilience, innovation, and the enduring magic of play. Our journey begins in the humble workshop of Ole Kirk Christiansen in Billund, Denmark, during the tumultuous 1930s. A master carpenter facing the harsh realities of the Great Depression, Ole initially crafted wooden toys, ducks, cars, and trains, each imbued with a quality that spoke of his dedication and craftsmanship. In 1934, he named his company LEGO, a portmanteau of the Danish words leg godt, meaning play well. Little did he know, this simple motto would become the cornerstone of a global empire. The company survived a devastating fire in 1942, a setback that would have crushed many, but Ole's spirit remained unbroken. The post-war era brought new materials and possibilities. In 1947, Ole encountered a plastic moulding machine and was captivated by the potential of this versatile new material. He began producing plastic toys, among them a rather rudimentary automatic binding brick, inspired by a design from British toymaker Kittycraft. These early plastic bricks had a crucial flaw: they didn't hold together very well. But the seed was planted. Ole's son, Gottfred Kirk Christiansen, a visionary in his own right, saw the immense potential. He envisioned a system of play where individual bricks could interlock, allowing for limitless construction. He meticulously refined the design, searching for the perfect clutch power, the magical balance that would allow bricks to snap together securely yet still be easily pulled apart. In 1958, after years of experimentation and countless prototypes, the revolutionary stud and tube coupling system was patented. This was the breakthrough moment. The hollow tubes on the underside of the bricks allowed for a more robust and versatile connection, making LEGO bricks truly automatic binding. This ingenious design was so effective that it remains largely unchanged to this day. The first LEGO sets, featuring these perfected bricks, began to emerge, inspiring children to build houses, cars, and anything their imaginations could conjure. The early 1960s saw the introduction of the first LEGO wheels, opening up a whole new world of vehicle creation. The Legoland Park in Billund, Denmark opened its doors in 1968, a testament to the growing popularity and cultural impact of the bricks. It wasn't just a park, it was a physical manifestation of the LEGO universe, where entire worlds were brought to life through millions of tiny bricks. The 1970s brought further innovation with the introduction of LEGO figures, adding a human element to the brick-built worlds. Initially gender-neutral, these early figures laid the groundwork for the iconic minifigure. And then, in 1978, came the legendary LEGO Minifigure. With its smiling yellow face, posable arms, and interchangeable accessories, the minifigure quickly became the soul of LEGO play. It allowed children to tell stories, create characters, and truly inhabit their brick-built worlds. Over 4 billion minifigures have been produced since, making it the world's largest population group. The 1980s and 90s saw the expansion of theme lines, including the beloved LEGO Castle, Space, and Pirates. These themes provided rich narratives and specialized pieces, further fueling imaginative play and captivating a new generation of builders. But the late 1990s and early 2000s presented new challenges. The rise of video games and digital entertainment led to a decline in traditional toy sales. LEGO faced financial difficulties, prompting a period of introspection and reinvention. Under new leadership, LEGO embraced innovation once more. They ventured into video games, movies, and even developed advanced robotics with LEGO Mindstorms, bridging the gap between physical and digital play. They also forged strategic partnerships, most notably with Star Wars in 1999, a collaboration that would become one of their most successful and enduring. The LEGO Group understood that the core appeal of the brick remained unchanged: the joy of creation, the freedom to build, and the power of imagination. They focused on enhancing these experiences, introducing new elements, colours, and building techniques, while always staying true to the fundamental compatibility of the original brick. Today, LEGO is more than just a toy. It's a global creative platform. From intricate architectural models to elaborate robotic contraptions, from stop-motion animations to therapeutic tools, the LEGO brick continues to inspire and empower. It's a testament to the power of open-ended play and the human desire to build and create. So, the next time you hold a LEGO brick in your hand, remember its incredible journey. From a small Danish workshop to a global icon, it embodies a story of perseverance, ingenuity, and the timeless magic of play well. What will you build today? The possibilities, much like the LEGO brick itself, are truly infinite. Thank you for joining us on this incredible journey. The story of LEGO is a reminder that creativity knows no bounds. If you are inspired by this tale of innovation and imagination, you'll love what we have in store. Don't forget to subscribe to RookieFactFinder for more fascinating stories that uncover the hidden facts behind the world's most iconic creations.